Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and we have today with us a very expensive product from a very expensive company. Yeah, you can guess it, so you can comment on the comment section. So yeah, let's not waste much time, and I'll take this off and show you what the product is. Yes, my friends, this is the iPad Pro having the M2 chipset, and you must say in the market it's the cheapest M2 which you may get apart from the laptops. So yeah, this costed me around 83, and so now let's not waste any time. And this is the packing from Apple, as you all are familiar with. They have taken out the peel plastic. से नो टू प्लास्टिक, तो इसको हम पील करते हैं. And that's it. So apart from Apple iPhone, I haven't used much of other products, so I will just okay. I thought it to be a little bit heavier, but it's quite light. Okay, silver looks pretty beautiful in this lighting as well. So this is our new Apple product. I thought it to be a little bit bigger, but yeah, this is quite approachable at every angle, I must say, for playing as well. Though I've not taken it for playing, this would, I hopefully, increase my video time. So now let's see what's inside the box. We have the iPad. Let's put it like this. Here we have the manuals. Oh, I like this. I have this in the new Apple iPhones, have the same wires, budded wires, and we have Type-C chargers. That's it for the box component. Now for this to quickly set up. Okay, we got the Apple logo now, so just wait for
You have already seen the specification of the iPad Pro I'm using in the previous few clips. Now let's talk about the daily use and workability of the iPad. So my main focus of buying the iPad was for editing, and my last 5 to 6 videos all have been edited in this iPad through the VN video editor. I find no lag while editing the videos. Even the long videos of 10 minutes or so were a cakewalk for the M2 processor. Fast forwarding or going back, slow motion videos, and whatnot, everything was smooth and quick. And all this voice recording is done in the VN app itself, so you can see how good the mics are. So now let's look at the camera quality of the iPad.
we took few photos, and here are the result. You can see the background bluish is less in the iPad Pro. The Pro Max has a better bokeh effect than iPad Pro, so you can see the color difference as well. And the 0.5x looks good in Pro Max than iPad Pro. Then comes your 5x zoom, that's comparable. The iPad's quality isn't that
Great. So let's see the photo qualities of iPad Pro and Pro Max inside the room. And as you can see, the photo clicked by the iPad Pro has less light.
So I'm just testing the video recording of the iPad Pro along with the mic quality as well, and this is what you get through the iPad Pro camera and the mic.
So this was a quick unboxing of the new iPad Pro. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.